Whoa. Guys, guess where I am right now? Yeah, can somebody just guessed? Yeah, based on the locality, looking at the environment, I'm somewhere very close to the Guinean border. Yeah, from here to Guinea is just about 5-minute walk. Yeah, so in today's video, guys, we are going to showcase our traditional wedding in this community called Kondadu. This is Kondadu. Okay, Kondadu has some historical background, you understand? But today's video, we're going to discuss it, and you're going to see how the wedding here is like and what they do. You understand? I'm going to show you the kitchen, typical Liberian wedding. Yeah, typical African wedding. Okay, that's the kitchen right there. You can see a lot of big pots on the fire and a lot of children witnessing it. Today I fly the drum. Flying the drum was so amazing. It was so amazing to the extent that bring the drum down, send it to them. They all flee away. So let's go to the kitchen. Let's see how the kitchen is like. How are you, Mama? How are you?
How are you?
You alright? Okay, what's your name?
Makra Kroma.
Makra Kroma. What's going on here? What are you doing here? You're cooking. Yeah, what's happening? Which program you having? Mare. Whoa. So this big part from Mare. So this one here, right? So this is for the bride and the groom, right? So guys, sometimes they may not understand English, and some may find it so difficult to explain this in English. So if I ask them in my local language, I'm a Madingo boy. If I ask them in my local language, they will respond. Then I will make you guys to understand what's going on here. Yes. All right. So, Mini, Kena muso tarimine. Okay. Marriage program, right? A part of A too. So what's going on here too? Preparing fish. Okay. Wow. So that how the marriage being happy in the area here. Yeah. So how you call the town? Kondadu. Oh, this is Kondadu. Kondadu. Oh, Kondadu. Huh? Kondadu. Oh, okay, Kondadu. Wow. Thank you, madam. You cooking a hot song. Guys, you see? So it's like I'm gonna enjoy myself. Alright guys, so that's how it is like. So I'm gonna ask them where the bride is, and they're gonna show me the bride area. But just imagine, this one big part here is for the man and his wife. But guess, will they finish this food? 2 person? No, I will say no. Okay, including those lot of particles in here. Okay, so na fair ayaka kinimbo aro ayaka nyana yeah na yin I know then kunanu sitotime akinini bonani. Oh guys, I said our wedding here is very challenging. This is the first phase. This phase just finished, and this is another one. Wow. Iniki, huh? Can you see my dog? I'm over there. So you don't feel sleep, guys. Our wedding here. If you want to marry, in our community, understand that you got to spend. Marrying here, got to eat. If I no spoon, we can't take spoon here. We eat our hand. For me particularly, I love to eat my hand. Okay, I have been a giddy. Okay, Amaki. I'm kind of asking where the bride is, so they're trying to make up the bride, get her ready for the wedding. I know particularly this wedding going to be so unique. So just be with me. You're going to enjoy this video. You enjoy the best. And then seeing Kondadu for the first time is so, I know. Tell me in the comment. And then, so technically, I'm here Kondadu, and I really want to see the bride. and that's the kitchen there. So I'm going to see the bride. The bride, whom that provision, that kitchen is for. You know, that kitchen is particularly made for the bride and the groom. So guys, I'm in Kundadu, and from here to Kundadu, from here to Guinea is very short, right? So how many hours it take from here to Guinea? So maximum 1 hour. No, I don't mean Masanta, but to just cross in the Guinea area. It's too short. Okay, because if you say 1 hour, probably that's Masanta, right? You take 1 hour to get to Masanta. That's one of the cities in Guinea, right? Okay. Oh, wow, it's so amazing. So here the bride is. So they're trying to make up the bride inside here. Guys, this is Brother Sheriff. Oh, hey, bro. Guys, yes, she is my older sister. That's my bigger sister. Yes, she is my older sister. Listen, bro. No, nani ni bula ino. Yeah, I got program. What's wrong? Yeah. So you're about nami baro, huh? So I really want to see the bride, and then seeing the bride also is so amazing. Oh, Kwe Jane? Kwe That's a bride? Oh, but she's so different. Tell me, guys, look at this wonderful lady, you know, whom the food is made for. That particular kitchen is so special for her, and you know, I really embrace it. Just tell me in the comment section. I know you're going to like it. Typical African wedding. So what you got to say today? Today you happy, right?
Yeah.
I'm
very happy today.
Okay.
Because this is my wedding.
Good.
Okay.
Wow.
So I want to say hi to everyone.
Good.
Wow. And say hi to all my family, brothers and sisters.
Okay.
So thanks.
So what could be your advice to the next generation, or to the next young girls that just coming up? You know, what's your advice to them?
My advice to all young girls is that every young girl should keep their bride, because if any boss or man, if the person wants you, that they can't go to your parents directly to marry, because you see this life no balance. Because one of the things is that most of our young brothers, when they follow behind you, I want to marry you, looking at the majority, they can just come to know about you and go back. And if you the catcher, if you are serious, anybody come around, you tell the person, say, oh, if you're serious, go to my parents, because I'm someone that I have parents, and I'm not child on the street. I child from whom. If you want me, go to my parents, because my parents really suffer for me. So thanks.
All right, guys. So that's so amazing. That's so amazing. You know, meeting this bride today, giving such wonderful advice. Just check around. You're going to see a lot of young ladies here. Probably some are married, some are not married. So, and that's our culture. That's our tradition here. You know, we share border with Guinea, and you know, in our locality, getting married to a girl child, probably the child may be below 18 or above 18 or 20. You know, we had a traditional area that you got to meet and pay the dowry of those girls that you want to marry. Probably it's not forbidding that you can marry two. No, you can marry as much as 4 if you want to. But I particularly, Sherry going to marry 1. I know it's also funny, but I'm particularly going to marry only 1. Okay, so tell me in the comment section, guys. Tell me, you know, kind of advice. You know, she's a young lady, and I'm proud of her. She just graduated from high school. She's trying to pursue higher education. I know she will do, you know, better. You know, I know, but it's so amazing. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Yeah, guys. So I'm in Kundadu right now, and you're going to witness every program from here. You're going to see everything. Brother Sherry in Kundadu. Yeah. How are you? Yeah. Tante, Inike, technically many people here they don't understand English. You know, they don't understand English. Tanatila, Inike, Tanate mean how are you? What news? How is it? You know, they mean a lot. So that's how it is like. So guys, I'm in Kondadu. So I'm going to walk you through Kondadu. You're going to see, you know, the community where we're coming from. This is a home of the bride and the groom. Oh, okay, let me see. DU. She's DU, right? Where is the groom? Where is the groom? Your man?
He's not here.
Oh, he's not here.
Yeah.
Okay, so in Bikana. Yeah. So the wedding is taking place. He's absent.
Yes.
But how you do that? How people do that in this place, in this community? How do people represent the groom?
It often happens.
Okay.
Because if you are not around,
yeah.
If you got brothers, they can take part.
Okay.
They can be in the presence of you, even you are absent.
Okay.
So it always happens.
Okay.
In our tradition.
Okay. That's another wonderful thing. It don't mean that you gotta be in the UK, be present, or be from France, or Europe, or USA, Canada, or Australia. Victor Dennis, shout out to you. Sister Sando, Francis Bombo, I'm right here in Kondadu. It means that if you want to marry here, no need for you to take both flight and come. You can come without flight by your brother representing you. I can represent you, but if I represent you and then getting married to that woman, my man, that woman will not grow. That woman will still. Right? If I marry the woman, I go sit down. Then I wear the gown. I sit down. Then I marry the woman. Who that woman for? That one for me? I wearing the same clothes. This clothes. I sit by this woman. Then I'm married. I'm married. Then we take picture. Who that woman for? So guys, no, happy, really. Honestly, happy. So that's how it is like. Happy, really. You know, if you are not present, you know, you are not present, and then you happen to find a lady that you really want to get married to, you know, you can ask somebody, either your friend, you know, to represent you, and then get married to this lady, pay the bride price, you know, then that woman will be for you forever. You understand? That woman is have been legalized once you do your expenditure, and then the traditional requirement, you live by it. Honestly, that woman is for you. You don't have to come down, you know, India, I have to be present, you know, I have to come home, married to a woman, you know, before that woman can be for me. No, it's not like that. Obviously, it's not like that. It's just like, let go. What you need? It's already? Huh? Oh, Vamadi. Guys, I have a lot of children behind me, you know, when you fly the drone. No, when you shoot the drone now, they don't understand I gotta clean the bear. I gotta have you in the bear, eh? You in school? How many of you in school here? Okay, so these are the children in school, 6 children, so the rest is not in school. All right. So, what class you in? ABC. What's about you? Huh? First grade. What's about you? KG. What's about you? KG. What's about you? ABC. You in school too? Or you not in school? Oh, guys. So many kids, yeah, many kids here. They are schooling. So first grade, ABC, and so on. So this road is going to Vonjama. I may not reach there. You understand? I will connect the road down here, and if you follow this road, you go to Vonjama, and there's a road back here too. If you follow that, you go to Vonjama. This, you know, this one is transit. We are heading to Guinea. You come here. Anything, huh? Thanks, Tema. Thanks, la. I need you. Thanks, eh? I don't know. So, guys. technically I'm in Kundado today. I just want to show you Kundado. So there's a kitchen. You know, I've vlogged all around. I've come anywhere here. You know, so let me just show you guys the road leading to Fonjama. This is Kundado. Yeah, this is Kundado, and Kundado has two-way out, two-way in. Yeah, two-way in, two-way out. So anything, huh? So this is another row that the children, you know what? The children. This is another row going to Fonjama. You see the row there. The row is down there going to Guinea. From here to Guinea is very, very short. Very, very short. Yeah, from here Guinea is very, very short. So if you are just new on my YouTube channel, guys, kindly consider subscribing, as Brother Sherry is vlogging in Kundado. This is one of the Liberian village. From here, there's no other village you go to within the next 15 minutes. You will see that you're already in Guinea. Yeah, you're already in Guinea. On a motorbike, I don't mean you're walking, no. If you're walking, you will take more than that time. So by you riding bike from here to go, you know, it's very easy and you're going to reach very quick. All right. Oh my God. So school close? School close? You pass? Huh? You pass? You come with that one? Huh? You come with that one? You do not know. Mama to me? You come with that one? Yeah, I think you're photo kobo ini. I don't know. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is Brother Sharif. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Fall back. Yeah. Gonna fall back. Okay. Thank you so much.